Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Check out this gorgeous classic in the form of a 1962 Ford F100 unibody pickup truck. Powered by a 223, built in Lorain, Ohio. Manual 3-on-the-tree transmission. And as you can tell, the paint, the body, wait till you see the inside, is stunning. Meticulously maintained, tons and tons of new parts on that motor. Purrs like a kitten, as you heard. Painted about 3 years ago. It absolutely looks like it's should be yours. 8-foot bed. It has been undercoated. The bed has been coated as well. Steel wheels with caps. Long brown bench seat. Once again, this truck has been meticulously maintained and cared for. Very simple inside, 3-on-the-tree transmission, easy to drive, plenty of room. Unlike a lot of them, you can't put your feet anywhere. This has a ton of room in it. As I put in the description, you can find on our website at CRUISINCLASSICSinc.com. This is a no-brainer. For the price that we have it, and for the value, the quality of the truck, it's a no-brainer. As soon as you drive it, it's yours. If you have any questions about this 62 Ford F100 unibody pickup truck, painted in a beautiful green, just give us a call here at Cruisin Classics. We'll be glad to help out. Remember the website at CRUISINCLASSICSinc.com. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.